What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tech tip video. So today we're actually going to go over how to change the valve cover gasket on our 99 Miata project car. So as you can see, the edge of the valve cover here, or this gasket, is leaking, and all of this oil is running straight down onto the exhaust, which is not a good thing. There's actually, it looks like it's blown out right here, a piece of the valve cover. So basically, as the cams are turning, it's just flinging oil, and it's rolling down the side of the engine block onto the hot exhaust, which is not a good thing. So we will go ahead and start taking this apart. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and unplug this plug right here. Take this hose off right here. Pull out your PCV hose, which is right there. And then we'll go ahead and pull these plug wires out. And then there's actually two 12mm bolts in the back here that hold this coil pack in. So we'll go ahead and loosen those.
I wanna build a life worth living. I wanna be rich cause I wanna be given. I feel the time keeps ticking. I wish I had more, but I'll take what's given. I just wanna pop cause I've been working a lot. I think I deserve a shot, I think I deserve a spot. Cause it's been years on this path that I walked, and if I keep going, I pray I'll be at the top. When I dream big, yeah I commit. Wanted this life since I was a little kid. Never thought twice, I just did what I did. Worked towards it and now I have an addiction. I've been living life like a dream, like it's fiction. I've been doing things like I have no restrictions. I don't plan to stop, no I don't plan on quitting. Everything I do, yeah I do it with conviction.
As we can see, we went ahead and got the valve cover off. This gasket is in extremely poor shape, because who knows how long this has been on there. But we'll go ahead and peel this old gasket off. We'll go ahead and clean up this valve cover and we'll put it back on. So the next thing we're going to do is clean up all of this extra gasket material that is left over from when we took the valve cover off. So we will go ahead and start scraping and pulling, and make sure to not drop any of this into the actual engine itself, because like these globs of RTV, probably not a good thing if they end up in your oil system, so be super careful with that. Alright, so now that we have briefly cleaned up the valve cover, it's not perfect, but eventually this motor is going to get torn back apart anyways. Make sure you clean out all of the grooves here, all of the excess gasket or gasket making material, RTV, whatever. So we're going to go ahead and move on to installing the new gasket. So this gasket is pretty hard to screw up, and the fact that front of the motor there's two bumps, in the back there's one. Pretty self-explanatory. Go ahead and start at a corner, push the gasket material down into the groove, just follow it around. Alright, now we'll go ahead and pick up our new RTV and we'll head back towards the motor. Alright, so our next step is we want to apply RTV to basically each corner of a sharp edge. So basically any type of, like where the cam lobe meets here, we'll put our RTV here, here, and then around on the two front ones. So we will go ahead and do that. Alright, so now that the RTV is on, we're going to carefully, without popping any of this gasket out of the track, put this valve cover gasket back on. Doesn't look like anything popped out, so we can go ahead and start putting bolts back in. So I'm going to go ahead and loosely tighten these. We're going to go ahead and tighten these bolts. So there is a certain torque spec that you have to follow. It is 44 to 78 inch-pounds. It's inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. If you do foot-pounds, you're going to break something major. And essentially, we're going to start in the middle, tighten these, and then work our way around. Alright, so now that we have these brackets, or this bracket tightened, we'll go ahead and start putting our spark plug back. Alrighty, and I believe we are done. We'll go ahead and re-secure this hose, and we're good to go. Alright, so that wraps it up, guys. It's as easy as that. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I think the plan is we're going to turn this car into a spec Miata and go road racing with it. So that'll be an awesome project for the channel. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you guys next time.